Hello guys, this is Jackie. Welcome to Seconpower. Today I will take you to visit our factory. So first, this is our office area. You can see our colleagues are working hard. This is our meeting room. Welcome to your visit to discuss your project details with us. Okay, here you can see we have 7 AC chargers assembly line. Yeah, including our portable charger and 1 more AC chargers just assembly here. Yeah. Okay, here you can see this is our mini DC charging station assembly line. Yeah. Now, follow me. Here is our 60 kilowatt, 80 kilowatt, and 120 kilowatt products DC charging stations, just in assembly. You can see here, we have many cabinets just preparing assembly. Now you can see we have too many cabinets arrived to our factory just prepared to assembly and delivery. This is our finished AC chargers just waiting for delivery. Now you can see this is our 60 and 80 kilowatt process. As we just moved to this new factory, so there are so many products just to make we have not finished the organized project. Here will be a warehouse of our finished product just prepared to delivery. Okay guys, ready to visit our factory? Just contact me.